Okay, so good day guys, still Drone PH. We have here another tutorial. Okay, so we have here the FPV-RC3. So we will set up on the manual mode together with our DJI Neo and with our goggles entry. So I will set it guys on the manual mode and we will fly at the end of our video. So let's try to activate the manual mode. To activate the manual mode, we need the tools that included inside the box. So the type L screwdriver, okay? And we need also the another tools, this one. We need this to activate the manual mode at the back of the controller. Okay, so as we see guys, the joystick is still on the center, okay? So cannot activate the manual mode. But I think you can set up also without putting down the joystick on the manual mode. Just click at your goggles. So let's go and activate the manual mode. Just open the back of your remote controller. Okay, just remove the cover a little bit. Then just tighten the two hole, okay? To lose the spring inside. Just tighten. Okay, you can tighten at full. Okay. So as we see guys, the joystick like the controller of the FPV now. Okay, but too much loose. We can adjust at the second screw. Okay, I will tighten the other one hole. This one, you can tighten if what smooth what you want. Okay. Okay, so it's already activate on your remote controller. So as you see, it's better now. Okay, so second thing that we do, we will return the cover and we will jump to the setup of the goggles entry. How to bind? Pretty simple. Just on your remote controller together with your goggles entry. Okay, then steady push the button for the bind mode. Already bind guys, but I will show you on how, okay? So just click steady for the bind mode. Then it's blink fast, then same like the controller. Then it will automatic bind, okay? Same like the DJI Neo also. Just click the DJI Neo for the bind button. Just click steady. The light going fast for the bind button. Then second, click also the bind button at the entry goggles. Then it will be bind automatic. Okay, so all set and bind. So let's proceed to the goggle setting on the manual mode. Okay, to set your manual mode on the goggles, just go to your menu. Okay, so click the settings. Settings, then go to your control. Click the control, then go to remote controller, click. Then you go at the button, the custom mode. As you see, the custom mode is on sport mode. Change it with manual mode. That's the activation of the manual mode. Then confirm. And after that, back and go to the gain and expo to change your rates. Gain and expo. Click it. Then change the rate if you want. You can copy my rate if you want also. Then go at the button, the manual mode altitude limit. You must off. Okay, click off. Confirm. Okay, so you can set your rate guys if you want and copy my rate also. Okay, so that's only. We will fly outside. We will try a little bit. So it's already set and we will try to arm, okay, inside to check if accurate. So you can arm or start the motor same as before. Normal mode. Okay, so manual mode, okay. So let's gonna try to start the motor guys. Okay. Okay, so it's done guys. It's work. So it's ready to check the manual mode outside. So let's go and check. Let's go. Okay, so that's the end of our test with the manual mode. It's not good enough, but I'm trying my best with the Neo. Flying the Neo is hard, not like on my other FPV, like the Cinewhoop and my 3 inch or 5 inch. Okay, because the FPV Cinewhoop and 3 inch or 5 inch is very accurate. Okay, not like the DJI Neo. Maybe I will try to upgrade the motor of the DJI Neo also for a better power. And I will practice more with the manual mode on the DJI Neo. So that's all, you guys. Till next time. Thanks for always supporting my channel. So that's only the settings of the manual mode. Hope help you a little. So that's only. Till next time. See you and happy flying, everyone. Till next time.